So it's pretty stuck. It's too lazy, didn't put on the front drive shaft when I dropped the trans, so it's two-wheel drive. Time for 35s. What do we lose? Don't remove your front drive shaft because you're lazy, or this happens. Look at this guy roosting my whole truck. Still very stuck. Not good. What do we think, Garrett? Not good?
That was not good.
All right, attempt number 2.
Punch it!
Look how bloody this is. It's too heavy.
For a second.
So what happens when the help gets stuck too? Yeah, this is just a little stuck. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes.
Now both of us are stuck.
Why wouldn't you put the wood on top of the dirt that you put under?
I don't make the rules, dude. Dude, that wood is just gonna be slick. It's just gonna slip.
It's okay, maybe the friction and it's a oil, right? And we'll have a fire.
Hey, maybe with all of me pushing, we can get her.
See, Daddy doesn't think about it.
Almost buried. No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work at all. Oh, I don't like that.
Someone's weight gets on it, it'll sink. It's not up in your tires, it's spinners.
Oh yeah, she got that. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
double stuff it, dude. Double fucking stuff. Money shot. You didn't even, like, your wheels didn't even spin. Dump the clutch.
One block.
The fact of the matter is you're not getting traction on the wood. They don't make them like they used to.
Good.
Oh, the rain's coming.
So we got out, all thanks to this man right here.
Oh man, that felt good.
She did get a little dirty.
Some Ford on Ford action.
Hey, that's what them 38s do, huh?
Dude, this thing's big. Damn.
All right, truck survived the mud. It's happy. Somehow I didn't burn out my clutch. But look over here. We got a nice chip in the window. So $500 window. So great. Don't get stuck, guys.